36 divided by 3 squared times, open parentheses, 1 plus 2, close parentheses, minus 4. So 36 divided by 9 times 3 minus 4. So 36 divided by 27 minus 4. Okay, so 36 divided by 27. So it is 4/3 minus 4 again. So 4/3 finding the common denominator minus 12/3 gives us minus 8/3, right? No way. This is absolutely the wrong answer because you made a crucial mistake. So pause the video if you want to solve this. For this type of operations in which we have several operations, divisions, multiplications, parentheses, we should follow something called PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this is like a vector. This is like an arrow. So here we have the highest priority, and here we have, let's say, the lowest priority or precedence. So parentheses have the highest precedence of them all. Then exponents, then multiplication and division, they have the same priority. So pay attention. They have the same precedence. Go from left to right. And again, we have addition and subtraction, the same precedence. Go from left to right. So a lot of students think that multiplication has a higher priority than division, but no. So let's revisit our answer, our question, original question again. So 36 divided by, so at first we should resolve the parentheses at first. 3 squared times, inside the parentheses we have 1 plus 2, 3, minus 4. So now what? We have no more the parentheses, but we have exponents, the E. So we should get rid of the exponents. We should resolve and calculate and evaluate the exponents. So first, not division, not multiplication, nothing. First, exponent. So 36 divided by 3 squared, 9, right? Times 3 minus 4. Now this is the step that a lot of students make this mistake because they think at first they should do the multiplication. No, it's not possible because you should go according to the PEMDAS. PEMDAS doesn't say that multiplication has a higher priority. PEMDAS says that they have equal priority. So from left to right. So whatever you see, first come, first served. 36 divided by 9 at first. So it gives us 4, and then we have times 3 minus 4. Then, so we have multiplication and subtraction. You can't do this. You can't do the subtraction because we have multiplication and it has a higher precedence than subtraction. So 4 times 3 gives us 12 minus 4. The final answer is 8. Oh, that's not a beautiful 8, but I mean, you got it. So as your homework, so what would the answer be? So I want you to write a calculator and write it in the comment sections below. So what would the answer be if we had this part in the parentheses? So please write down your answers in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you haven't already. See you on our next video.